All right, how does $27 XRP by October sound? XRP Army answers. Prominent crypto analyst CryptoBull on X posted a macro chart mapping out a direct path from current levels to an intermediate target of $7 before reaching a final destination of $27. While critics laugh off the idea, major ecosystem catalysts are aligning behind the scenes. Now, is CryptoBull's $27 target based on proven historical pattern? CryptoBull's analysis here relies on a multi-year ascending channel that has dictated XRP's price boundaries for years. XRP is currently retesting the lower boundary of this channel near $1.01. Back in late 2024, a similar retest of this exact trend line triggered an explosive move of over 500%. A repeat performance of this foundation would easily slice through resistance toward the mid-channel level of $7 before aiming for $27 at this upper boundary. In my personal opinion, I see this lower boundary retest as a classic technical baseline. The market isn't collapsing. It's establishing a firm foundation, much like a rocket refueling on the pad before launch. This consolidation gives the asset the necessary platform to launch its next major leg up. Now, why is the XRP army divided over this $27 prediction? The reaction from the community has been a mixture of extreme disbelief and firm optimism. Skeptics argue that if XRP had the momentum to hit high double digits, it would be already trading between $20 and $30 right now. On the other side, bulls point to real-world catalysts such as the DTCC tokenization pilot launching around that time frame as the fundamental spark needed to fuel unprecedented volume. Others take a grounded approach, hoping to secure $2 first before targeting higher zones. In my opinion, skepticism is normal after extended consolidation. However, doubting a target simply because it hasn't happened yet ignores how rapidly institutional adoption shifts liquidity. The DTCC pilot isn't just news. It's structural adoption that could act as a catalyst for massive institutional inflows. Now, could macro channel liquidity really push XRP to $7 and beyond? To move from $1.01 to $7 requires a multi-billion-dollar market cap expansion, let alone reaching $27. Yet, multiple analysts echo CryptoBull's sentiment, calling an eventual move toward $27 inevitable once upper channel liquidity is tapped. Moving sideways near $1.01 allows long-term holders to accumulate, building the momentum required to bridge macro resistance levels. So, in my opinion, liquidity follows where institutional utility demands it. The sideways movement near $1.01 is building a massive foundation. Once the price breaks out from lower trend line, momentum can carry XRP through $7 milestone toward the upward band much faster than the crowd expects. And finally, our overall conclusion is that CryptoBull's chart right here outlines an aggressive target of $27 by October 2026, supported by an intermediate milestone of $7 and a historical 100% retest pattern. While retail sentiment remains split between down and high, upcoming institutional milestones like the DTCC tokenization rollout provide the fundamental backdrop necessary for such a move. So respect the key levels, keep our eyes on the lower channel support right here near $1.01, and let the macro cycle play out. And this final ends our video. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on the next one. Or you might just as well check this next recommended video right here.